Here's a couple of quick tips that will help your dishwasher function better and last longer. Save your old toothbrushes because you're going to need them for jobs like this. About once a month or so, reach in and find your version of this little thing. It turns a little bit and then it lifts out. It's a filter and it collects all sorts of fun, disgusting things. Take that out, take it up into your sink and give it a good rinse with warm water, maybe a little bit of soap and your old toothbrush, and get that thing cleaned out. It really gets gross. It'll take a few minutes to do that. Give it a good scrub, just with the old toothbrush, kind of inside and out. Look for that soap scum, little bits of food that get collected on there. Give it a good rinse, check the inside, down in here. Give it a good scrub-a-dub. You'll see all sorts of little fun stuff that comes flying out of there. It doesn't belong. Give it a rinse. Put it back down into the dishwasher where it came from. Just down in that hole down there. Down in there. Put a little bit of that food in. Always have a water bottle to rinse with. Rinse things out of the way. Try to spin it or something. That's gross. There. Feel it fit. There it goes. And then turn it a little eighth of a turn. Also, get this area right here by the edge of the dishwasher. It's notorious for collecting disgusting chunks of food. Put a little water on it and get the toothbrush on it. Get that fun, disgusting stuff out of there. I'm sure it was delicious food when it was made, but it is not anymore. I'm gonna rinse. All that will run down the drain of the dishwasher. So disgusting, but it doesn't have to stay that way. That stuff will run down the drain of the dishwasher. Another tip I have is if you are getting soap scum around the little drawer where you put the soap tablets or the soap gel, get yourself some of this stuff from local store that rhymes with Target or Walmart or any of those places, and you sprinkle a little bit when you go to do a load of dishes. After you put the soap pellet or the gel in there, we just sprinkle some right on top, just like this, and that keeps that whole system right there soap scum free. Make sure that the door operates the way it's supposed to, and helps keep your dishes a little bit cleaner also. Highly recommend that stuff. It works good for us. Thank you.